Okay, I want to talk about the micro USB and the headphone socket in a little bit more detail. Because they are on this really nice kind of tapered curved edge, they're rather strange the way that the access feels. So I'm going to just use their supplied micro USB connector. I'm going to plop that in, he says. Now absolutely from the front, as you can see, nice snug fit from the rear. There's quite a bit of exposed connector there. And I'm going to just show this side on now, if I can flip the cable out of the way. It just feels a little bit awkward. I'm surprised that, as this is the cable that was supplied with the Nexus 7, that ASUS didn't supply a similarly curved end to their micro USB connector. So if this is bespoke for the unit, that's not particularly bespoke and certainly could be better. Okay, so now the next thing I wouldn't expect anybody to do any bespoking on is the headphone socket. Now this one is actually, again, within the curved unit. So as you can see, it's right down there. However, it's the beginnings of the circle, the hole, is actually flush with the very edge of the unit. So what I'm going to do now is just plug in and pair my Bose headphones. And again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'll show it to you from the front. So absolutely looks fine, and I had to really push that in to get that third clip. Absolutely looks fine, really solid, sturdy connection. And again, edge on, you can see from the back especially that you've got quite a bit of exposed cable connector, sorry. And I don't think this is a real concern, but if you've got anything that could earth, if you have got tinfoil or chewing gum wrapper in your pocket and something is going to touch that, that's not so clever. So you want to keep an eye out for that. I'm sure that's not going to cause any problems at all in use. This isn't going to go in someone's pocket after all. Even my large pockets, I'm not going to be putting that in there like a mobile phone that's going to go in a bag, etc. And if I am walking around listening to music, that's the only thing I've got a little bit careful of, that I've got nothing metallic that can interfere with the sound quality. Just going to unplug that and rest that to the side, and they're the only two ports that I'm going to particularly focus on. I think everything else, especially the on-off button and the volume, really feel nice and neat. I've got no issue, and it's absolutely due to the styling and the size of this unit that these ports and connectors are this shape. And I think the only qualm I've got is that that cable, that micro USB end, could have been tapered and shaped, curving onto the unit to make that a really neat connection.